Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 2 of this senior housing. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in all the DWG file or the AutoCAD file, and then we added the basement walls. And then here, we're going to continue working on this up to level 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in here and let's insert the elevator. So what you have to do is scroll down and look for specialty equipment. And then we have elevators and lift. And what we could do is we could load one of them. So I'm going to load this 4-person wall base. Open. And then after that, go to architecture and click component. And then here we're able to add the lift. So we're going to add it right here and then on this one as well. I want to see if we can get a bigger one. So I want to go to insert again and check this one out. So go to architecture and then component, and basically it's the same size. And next thing we're gonna do, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. After that, I want to add it here as well. So let's click on the first 4-person wall base, and I'm gonna add it here and then here. Let's add it here as well. So you just need to put your mouse cursor on the side where you want it to be. So if I want it to be on the inside, I just need to move it away from the wall. So I'm just doing it like that. And then here we need to add it as well. And that's about it. Next thing we do is I'm going to change this into curtain wall. So let's add in a curtain wall by clicking wall. And then after that, scroll down and choose curtain wall. And we're just going to add it here. Also here. And then of course here as well. And then after that, you see the warning there. It's just saying that it's not visible yet because we haven't do the cut geometry. So you just need to go to modify and click cut geometry, and then you need to choose the wall first and then the curtain wall. So wall first and then curtain wall, and like that. And then after that, usually I do it in 3D, but as of now, I just want this corner to have a wall, not all the way curtain wall, so I just move it around like that, similar to this. So you could just pull it like that. And I kind of like this view now. So maybe we should just add curtain walls all the way around here first, and then we could go to 3D afterwards and change it or create some mullions. So let's just do that quickly now. So add curtain wall around here, and then here as, sorry, it should be around here, and then here. I put it too much there, and then we need to delete this. And then let's do it here as well. And then lastly here. And then go to modify and choose cut geometry, wall, curtain wall, wall, curtain wall. Okay, press escape, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean it up like that. So I want to clean corners, so we could extend this a little and put a wall there a little bit. This one we need to pull back, and that will be fine. And then after this, click on 3D. I know this is kind of confusing, but just bear with me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this one down like that, and then let's pull this one afterwards. So now that we pull this one, we could actually press AL. We're gonna align this to here, align the same one to here as well. And let's use this alignment to all of them. So just be patient and it will appear. You just need your cursor to hover around that. So here, I'm just gonna go at the top here and then choose to align this. So I just want everything to align. So I'm gonna use this as well to align this. I believe that's the last one there. And then now we could add in the grid, curtain grid. So press escape, go to architecture, and we have curtain grid here. I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna go 700 from the top. So I'm just gonna do that all the way around here. So I want 700 like that. 700 is here as well. And then here we're gonna add a door. So we're gonna leave it like that. A door as well here. But here we could actually make a big one in the middle. Or what we could do is we're gonna press escape. We're gonna delete that. We could actually add 3. So just hover around and it will create its 3 divisible. So as you can see, it's 1446.7 on all of them. And then again, 700 from the top. So just be patient. And then be patient again and add it here and here as well. So if you cannot see it, you could use align to align the same line here. And then lastly, we're gonna add it here as well. So 700 from here, and then here. So as you can see, I could just add it randomly here without the 700. And then we're gonna use align. So here I put it 700. It was easy. Here I'm gonna press AL. I'm gonna copy this, and then it will follow the same 700 from there. And then here I know this is too big, so I'm gonna add a curtain wall, maybe 4 of them. So I just need to go around in the middle, so it will divide it perfectly. So 20 25 70, and then we could go middle again here, and then middle again here. So that's done. After that, go to architecture and add in mullion, all grid. I'm gonna add all grid here, here, and also here. I'm gonna add it here as well. And then we need to go back to basement floor plan. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this to um, a door. So actually just go back to 3D, and we could load up the door. So go to insert, load family, go back here, and go to door, and then here. So just need to do this, and then we could just use single. So I'm gonna use this curtain wall single glass, press open, and then after this you will need to hover around this, click on tab, and then click this once you choose the panel, and then go down, and you will have a door there. So you will need to change to fine in order for the door to appear, the door handle, like that. We're also going to change it here. So make sure to click on tab, and then door. So we have that there. We're also going to add it here. And then the orientation for those, we could change it later on. So here I'm just gonna go around, make sure this is selected, and then change it. So I got that one here, and then lastly both of this side. Door, and then here as well. And go to basement floor plan and change the orientation similar to what we did here. Let's change this one as well. Okay, so now that we're done here, we could add in our stairs. So let's add in our stairs here. So click architecture. So go to architecture and then click stairs. And here we're just gonna add it from here first, similar to that. And then we could adjust this. So adjust it here as well and from the back. And then after that, you just need to click finish and you're all good. So we added our stairs here. You can even select it and you can move it accordingly using your arrow key and then press escape. Let's do it on this side as well. So then again, click stairs, add it like that. Change it a little bit like so. And then click finish and you're all set there. And there's no stairs here and there's no stairs there. So pretty much we're done with basement. Later on, probably after, we're gonna do the ramp. But then again, we should go and start the level 1. So click level 1 now. Actually, we could add in the floors here. So we could do that by going to architecture and then click floor. Let's edit this floor. Edit type, duplicate. This will be basement floor. Press OK. Edit type. Let's change the thickness to 200. And then this will be cast in place gray concrete. And then OK. Now we need to use spec line. I'm gonna use spec line on the outside of this one. And then after that, we're just gonna trim it. So using spec line will make your life easy, especially if you have a lot of corners in your design similar to this. And then again, use TR to trim and extend all of this. So once you did that, you can now click finish and we have our floor right there. And then now we could go start level 1. So click level 1. Here in level 1, as you can see, we have our admin offices. We also have pool area, party area, pharmacy. I believe we also have our laundry rooms in each wing. So we could call this left and right wing. And then this will be our atrium. So here we're just going to add in walls. So go to architecture, click on wall, and let's change this to generic 200. Edit type. We'll duplicate this, and this will be first floor wall exterior. Press OK, edit type, and let's change this to 300. And we're not gonna add in any assemblies for now. So we're just gonna click OK and then OK. After that, our level 1 will go up to level 2, and then I'm thinking if we should use finish exterior again. I think that's the easiest way again to do this. So I'm going to click here, also click here and here. I'm gonna escape. Actually, I believe our exterior wall for first floor is 400. That should be the thickness. So yes, I believe that's correct, 400. And then now we could just click it back to wall and continue with this corner and make sure this is done. And having so I made a mistake there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to click this and type in CS and click on this corner. After that, I'm just gonna connect this all the way there. And then click on this wall and then type in CS. That's an easy way of reappearing what you selected. So if you have something like a furniture, you can always press CS after you selected the furniture so that it's easier for you to redo the command. So here I'm just looking for the endpoint, and then here I have a situation where I'm gonna click it here at this endpoint. But if you notice that this wall is much thinner, so I will need to escape and I will need to add in a curtain wall as well here. So I'll escape this part for now and continue on this one. So let's click over here and look for this corner. So I don't know if this is something that you guys would like me to do, providing an AutoCAD file. This is a faster way of you guys can um, follow the video. I know in my part it's gonna be more time consuming, but if you guys like this, this is something that I probably will do again in the future, but we'll see how the video pans out. And if you guys like it, uh, put a comment down in the video, and obviously I always reply to you guys. So I'm just continuing doing this, making sure that all corners are um, being added for the walls. And then this one, it needs to be on this. And we have something here as well. And this corner. And lastly, finish it there. I'm pressing escape, and I want to double check everything. I think this is something that I should move here, but from what I'm seeing, it's just an error in the CAD. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. And let's continue on the next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.